In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the design of a Wix site menu and drop-down menu. If you want your website navigation to better match your brand, look cleaner, or simply feel more polished, Wix gives you a lot of design control right inside the editor. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to click and what each design area changes, so you can confidently style both your main menu and your drop-down menu. To begin, open your site inside the Wix Editor. Once your site is loaded, click directly on your navigation menu element. Make sure you are selecting the actual menu and not another section nearby. When the menu is selected, click the design icon, which is represented by a paintbrush. At this point, you can either choose one of the pre-made template styles for a quick visual update or click Customize Design if you want more detailed control. If you go into the customization settings, you will be able to choose a menu state to edit. The available states are regular, hover, and clicked. These states determine how the menu looks normally, how it appears when someone places their cursor over it, and how it looks when it has been selected. From there, you can begin adjusting the main navigation elements. Infill color and opacity. You can change the background of the menu or the colors used behind menu items. In the text section, you can update fonts, apply a theme, adjust character size, and refine the text formatting so your menu is easy to read and visually consistent with the rest of your site. You can also open corners and borders to curve the edges of the menu frame and add outline lines if you want a more defined look. Then, in shadows and spacing, you can control padding for a roomier or tighter layout, and adjust shadow placement to give the menu more depth. Now let's customize the drop-down menu design. With the main menu still selected, click the design icon again, then choose Customize Design. Inside the design panel, look for the drop-down labeled What do you want to design? This is where you can switch between different parts of the menu system. Choose drop-down menu items or drop-down container, depending on what you want to style. Then select the state you want to edit, regular, hover, or current page. This is especially useful if you want submenu items to react clearly when visitors interact with them. From here, modify the background fills and opacity of the drop-down container box to control the overall submenu appearance. You can also tailor the text color, border shapes, and hover highlight colors for the items inside, helping your drop-down menu feel cohesive and easy to navigate. Take a moment to preview your changes as you go, so you can fine-tune the design for both appearance and usability. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.